Hey there, welcome back friends. Today we will try to check out the URL and redirect tags. So this would be interesting. Now friends, in order to understand these two tags, let us quickly create a yet another JSP page. And we will give the name as another page. Here we go. And let me also copy this name real quick. And here is our another page.jsp file. Let me give the title as another page, and we will also add the text inside the body tag as another space page. Alright, so this looks good to me. Now moving back to our JSTL demo.jsp page, in here we will make use of a core tag whose name is URL. And in here we can also make use of a self-contained URL tag, even that is okay. In here, we will check out the attributes. The first attribute is value. Now, what is the value? Value is the value of the URL, value of the page. Now, in here, if I give the name of this another page.jsp, what happens is this tag will generate the URL, generate the link for the page. So that is a very nice thing. Now, in here, let me add in another page.jsp real quick, and that's it. Now let me quickly run this page on our web server, and here is the output. Now definitely we can easily make out that we have the entire page with us. The link is shown properly, and this link is very interesting. In here it is not showing up the base URL. In fact, it is generating the relative link, and the base URL would be considered in the URL by default. So whenever we are, for example, making use of a relative link, the base URL would be considered by default. So in here, this is the link for our another page.jsp file, which is cool. Now let us convert this particular tag into an actual link. So in here, we will type in ahref equals, and in between double quotes, we will make use of this core tag, right? And we will give the label as another page. Here we go. So this is good. Now let me refresh this page, and here is the output. If I click on this link, we would be redirected to the another page, and here is the output, another page. So this is a very convenient and easy way of giving the links, and the links would be automatically generated. We need not to worry about the base URL and anything like that. So this is a very efficient and good way of creating the hyperlinks. Now moving forward, let us try to understand the yet another tag, which is redirect tag. So we will again type in C:redirect, and in here again, if I check, there would be a couple of attributes. One of the attribute is URL, and to this URL again we can give a text, and that text could be the URL. For example, in here if I type in http://google.com, or in fact studyeasy.org, any URL is okay. And for example, if we try to redirect our current page to studyeasy.org, then what happens is whenever we run this page, then our page would be redirected to our website studyeasy.org. This will definitely take some time because it's an web URL and it requires internet to get connected. So here is our page, which is cool, which is amazing. Now again, if we wish to redirect this particular URL to our internal page, for example, we wish to redirect this JSTL demo.jsp page to this another page.jsp, then how it can be done? The answer is very simple. In place of this URL, we will simply give the name of our JSP page. So in here, the name of the JSP page is another page.jsp, and we will prefix a slash. Alright, now what happens is this URL attribute will generate the URL accordingly. So this URL generation would be automatic, and based on this attribute, based on this name of the file, the URL will be generated internally and the redirection will take place. So let me run this file, and here is the output. So we have redirected our original page to another page.jsp, and even the URL proves the point. Alright, so this is it, and this is how we can make use of URL and redirect tags. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.